Hi, Stephen Gabel from Portland, Oregon. We are here today doing what's called Platelet Rich Plasma therapy. And what that is we do this for hair loss. The platelets in blood have growth factors in the middle of them. And what we do is we draw somebody's blood, we spin it down in a specialized centrifuge. Actually, it goes through 2 spins, and we isolate the platelets. And we concentrate the platelets about 6 times natural. And then we place them in these syringes. So we drew 120 mils of blood, and we were able to get 14 of these syringes full of platelets. And they're very hot. This is a very high concentration of platelets that we're using today. So this gentleman is interested in continuing to have his hair. He's thinner here, but what he wants to do is at least maintain this and maybe thicken it up a little bit. So we anesthetized his scalp, and we put a substance called ACell, which is an acellular matrix, into the scalp. And then now what I'm doing is putting these very concentrated amounts of platelets into this area. So I already did this side. So now I'm going to do this side. And as you can see, I'm just going just beneath the surface here and injecting the platelets exactly where they need to go, every square centimeter, or I can thread it as well, but I think it's easier for this demonstration to show this. And I'm going down right at the root of the hairs, and I can see the scalp elevating, and so I'm trying to hit every little part of his scalp, and it's going great. He's tolerating it well. He's numb, so he can't feel a thing, and this is going absolutely super. With 10 minutes to go, and we'll be finished, because after this, what I'm going to do is inject some calcium, and then all those growth factors in the granules of the platelets will be opened up, and it can do their thing to help maintain or even grow his hair. So again, Stephen Gabel from Portland, Oregon, demonstrating the Platelet Rich Plasma, or PRP treatment for this gentleman for hair loss. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 503-693-1118. Thank you. How was that?